Welcome to our guide on launching your own AI chatbot service in 2025. With the rise of AI technology, the market potential for chatbots is growing rapidly. CustomGPT.ai offers unique features that let you create chatbots tailored to your needs, easy integration, customizable responses, and much more. Identifying your target audience is crucial. Whether it's e-commerce, healthcare, or customer service, find out who will benefit most from your chatbot. Setting up your account is easy. Follow our simple step-by-step guide to get started with CustomGPT.ai. Customization is key. Explore the wide range of design options to give your chatbot a unique identity. To stand out in the market, effective marketing strategies such as social media promotion and targeted ads can make a significant impact. Explore different monetization models to maximize your profits. Subscription services, pay-per-use, and more are all viable options. Discover how others have found success using CustomGPT.ai. Let these case studies inspire you. Stay ahead of the curve by keeping an eye on emerging trends in the AI chatbot industry. Now that you have the tools and knowledge, it's time to embark on your journey of launching a profitable chatbot service.